The most popular style on the market, the 3-piece paver system, just got even easier to install. Techoblock just debuted the latest Blue 60 mold, designed for mechanical installation straight from the factory, making your jobs faster and more efficient. With our multi-6 paver clamp, you can lay up to 1,200 square feet in an hour, meaning you can complete an average size hardscape job in under an hour. I'll say that again. 2 guys, 1 excavator, 1 multi-6 clamp, and the whole patio is laid in under an hour. And let me be clear, the multi-6 clamp is incredibly versatile and can pick nearly any paver system on the market today. Investing in the latest and greatest helps you book more jobs and grow your business. This means less physical labor, more money saved, and getting to the next job faster. You can keep installing the way you are now, or you can revolutionize your business overnight with these latest innovations from Techoblock and Pave Tool Innovators. Reach out today and we'll set you up for success.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com. If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.